Good morning once again, everybody. Back to another Monday morning, ride to work. Hopefully you're seeing an improvement in the video quality. I'm currently borrowing the GoPro Hero Session. Obviously it's one of the cheapest GoPros that they do, and I don't even know if they still sell this one. I think it's the Hero 5 now. So it is older, but I'm borrowing it from a mate, so I just wanted to see if it was any better than my Sony AS15, which is a very old camera now. I just find that the quality isn't quite there. I'm hoping the angle is alright on this camera because I sort of half-assed it yesterday. At least we've got another dry start to the day. I think I'll do crap weather for the rest of the week again. So today's question I have is, what is it that made you buy your bike? Whether you are one of the GSX 650F owners or any bike, what was the reason you brought your one? The main reason I brought this bike was literally just for fun. This was before I needed it for work every day. It was quite a reasonably priced bike. I was told it should be fairly reliable, which it has been. I was told the parts would be pretty cheap to replace, certainly when you start comparing it to the KTMs and BMWs. So yeah, what was the reason you brought yours? Someone left a great comment the other day saying I sounded like I was bored on my rides to work. And I have to admit, they weren't wrong. I certainly do. I noticed it myself. I have no idea why I sound so bored. I must naturally just sound like that, which is probably a terrible thing. I'm going to try and not sound so miserable, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not promising anything. But they also did say that they wanted to have a look around. There was a sort of more of a... gave me the advice of what they'd like to see, and they said they wanted to see about where I lived, to look around Dover and show some places. And initially I thought, oh, Dover's just a bit of a dive. Nobody really wants to look around Dover. I'd say it's a town centre that's a bit of a dive where you don't really want to go around. But around the outskirts and everywhere else, there's some pretty cool stuff. It's mainly historic things. I want to try and get out one day to all these different sites and show you them as a potential might be somewhere you want to visit. If you're ever down this way, you might find some interesting things I can show you. But straight in front of me now, I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but there's a castle. We've got Dover Castle, which is huge. And again, you live here and you take it for granted. The castle's actually probably pretty cool to people who haven't got that much history around them. They live in like a newer town or new build area. Yeah, I'll try and show off because there's loads of cool bits. We've got forts, various derelict buildings that look pretty cool. So I will try and do a tour of Dover. So this is just another quick, short, sharp video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. So this is just another short video for you. Hope you liked it. Make sure you comment down below about your bike. Let me know why you got your one. Let me know why you chose it. This was another nice quick video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below about why you chose your bike specifically. And I'll catch you next time.